Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to snap to clips in timeline on the Power Director application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the 3 line at the upper left corner of the home screen. Click that. The settings section, click to the preferences, and here the second section, the advanced, you can find the enable snap to clips in timeline option. Actually, I use this function, but if you want to turn off, click the next blue icon, and if it will be turned gray, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on, click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.